Guys, lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo na yung cancel button, it cannot make you another account. It cannot help you to be released on your agency. Ang cancel button na yan, it can temporarily ban your account. Halimbawa, you click the cancel button, tapos may VIP ka nun, may coins ka nun, may points ka nun. Forfeited na yon. And kung gusto mo ulit mag-Popolive, you need to get back your account. Kasi nga, one account per person only. So, madidetect yan ni Popolive kasi nga, iisa lang ang account na pwede mong gamitin. So, kahit na you click the cancel button 1 year ago, kailangan mong bawiin yan. Gets mo? Yung iba kasi, ang tigas ng ulo, or kaya yung iba gumagawa ng sarili nila ng desisyon, they click the cancel button, tapos antay sila ng 30 days, gawa daw sila ng panibago, which is, sabi nila, bakit gano'n, nadedetect yung first account ko? Kasi nga, may account ka na ng una. Yun at yun lang talaga ang pwede mong gamitin. Okay, wag matigas ang ulo mo. If you wanted na mag-lilo muna kay Popolive, pwede naman yun. Click the cancel button. Or kaya naman, just stay on there. Okay? Yun lang naman yun. Kung sakali naman po na kayo po ay hindi nag-login kay Popolive, halimbawa, naging inactive ka for about 90 days, your points and coins will be forfeited. Halimbawang may nakalimutan kang points or coins po doon, wala yun. Ganun. So, to get back your account, you just need the steps na ginawan ko ng vlog, yung easy steps to get back your account, yung make another account, do face authentication, after face authentication, go to help, message feedback, consult, account and security, then drop your concern. So, yun lang naman yung steps para mabawi po ito. Again, kahit i-click nyo yung cancel button, you cannot make another account. Huwag matigas ulo ninyo kasi marami nang umiyak sa akin na, "Ma'am, kasi ganyan, yung points ko doon, coins ko sayang." Alam mo yung rules eh, di ba? So, kung alam niyo yung rules at kayo lumabag, wala talaga akong maitutulong doon. So, my user ID is 79170. You can follow me on Popolive, and my WhatsApp is posted on my personal information if you have further questions. My duty is every 2 p.m. hanggang 11 p.m. So, I'm doing live every Tuesday hanggang Saturday. So, marami akong tutorial sa aking mga social media accounts. Just search Tita Laika. Kung kayo ay may mga suggested vlog, just comment down below at baka ma-explain ko po or magawan ko po ng tutorials.